Squats are a fundamental and highly effective compound exercise that primarily targets the muscles of the lower body, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. This exercise also engages the core and works on overall body stability. There are incredible benefits of doing 100 squats every day. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our fitness tips and challenges. Let's get started. 1. Instant energy boost. Imagine waking up in the morning feeling groggy. Instead of reaching for that cup of coffee, try doing 100 bodyweight squats. The increased blood flow and activation of muscles will leave you feeling invigorated and ready to tackle the day. 2. Enhanced leg strength. If you're an avid hiker or enjoy long walks, you'll notice a significant improvement in your ability to tackle inclines and declines after a few weeks of consistently doing 100 squats each day. Your legs will feel stronger and more resilient. 3. Toned glutes. Take a set of before and after pictures of your glutes over a month. You'll visually see the change in firmness and tone, especially if you focus on proper squat form with a full range of motion. 4. Improved posture. Spend a week consciously focusing on sitting and standing with a straight back. Incorporate squats into your daily routine, and you'll find that maintaining good posture becomes more natural as your muscles become accustomed to the correct alignment. 5. Better balance and coordination. Attempt balancing on one leg before and after incorporating squats into your routine. The improvement in your ability to balance is a direct result of the increased coordination and stability developed through regular squatting. 6. Fat loss and increased metabolism. Track your weight and body composition over a month while maintaining a consistent diet. You're likely to see positive changes, especially if you combine squats with a balanced nutrition plan. 7. Increased flexibility. Test your flexibility by trying to touch your toes before and after doing 100 squats daily. The squatting motion engages your hip flexors and works on ankle flexibility, contributing to an improved range of motion. 8. Strong core. Notice how your ability to maintain a stable core during other exercises, such as planks or push-ups, improves after incorporating squats into your routine. A strong core is the foundation for various movements. 9. Better endurance. If you're a runner, observe how your stamina increases over time. You might find that you can run longer distances or maintain a faster pace without feeling as fatigued, thanks to the improved endurance gained from regular squats. 10. Enhanced circulation and heart health. Monitor your heart rate during cardiovascular activities like jogging. Over time, you'll likely observe that your heart rate is more controlled, indicating improved cardiovascular health as a result of regular squatting. So, there you have it, the incredible benefits of doing 100 squats every day. Remember, consistency is the key. Start with a comfortable number and gradually work your way up. If you found this video informative and motivating, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love fitness. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.